Be careful, Jeremy. I was just getting shot up here.
God damn it.
Behind you.
Loading!
Fuck!
What the fuck?
No!
Did I get shot or something? Like, what was I?
I want to play my Gigas so bad. I thought you just said Gigas.
Yeah.
Kind of what the I want to really play out.
I know.
It don't take so much concentration.
I don't know where they're at, Johnny. Let's go meet up with our homies.
Yeah, they gotta be over this way.
concentrate, Johnny. Just remove that.
I just saw a reflection.
There's movement everywhere. I'm in the middle of our team.
Oh, no, look at avoid the triangle, looking at the triangle. Like, if you see a triangle, look for...
Are you up on top of the catwalk? I swear I hit to see the muzzle flash. I don't know. I'm just covering. Oh damn, they fucking straight up came behind us while I'm trying to do some cover fire shit. As if they could be
I
suppressed.
think there's one behind you guys on the southeast.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yep, he's right.
Good call.
A++.
Whoa, I'll go that way.
I saw you.
Apex Legend right now.
Where was he at?
Well, go play this shit.
What game? What did you say?
Legend.
Oh god. I would be into it if it was a battle royale.
Yeah.
Legion.
Freaking
So
running
fucking
full speed
sick of people in
stops.
battle royale.
I'm
Shit.
so tired of Battle Royale. Like, yeah,
Battle Royale.
it's definitely
Fuck
like
that.
the best Battle Royale. Like, that's a good concept and everything.
I haven't even tried it.
Yeah.
It's,
I heard-
we tried
Apex
it, like,
Legends is fun.
I got everybody to try it. I got my barber into it. I was like, yeah, this shit's on PlayStation.
Apex Legend?
Yeah.
Oh, why would you get people into that game?
Because he
You're not
likes
playing
battle royale. He plays Fortnite and shit. And I figured it'd be better for him. He told me, he's like, yeah, dude, I tried it, and I'm not very good at
It's
it.
definitely a type of gameplay that's not going away anytime soon.
I think it will. I think it's a
I
fad.
don't think so.
It's on its last leg. People are getting burnt out of it. It's like a,
I don't think so.
Fortnite?
I think
Maybe.
it's only the
No,
beginning.
no,
It's
like-
only progress. It's only progressing.
battle
There's gonna be
royale.
some more stuff
I
to
really
come.
hope it ends because I'm so tired of this. Fucking
Maybe it will progress into what we like, as like a survival mode where you're
That would, exactly. But they're just
because
they're
that
making
hasn't
too-
really hit the mass market yet.
the problem
Maybe just to get
is
people into it.
streamers are making too much money from battle royale games.
Yeah, but what
They're
was the
making
trend
too
before
much
that,
money.
Matt? Ask yourself if what were the streamers making money off of that was trending before that, and this that's still around majorly.
Oh, I know. It's just what I'm trying to say. It's the day and age we're in. It this.
It should be ending soon. This has been like this for a couple of years now.
I want to
I
ask
don't-
Chris now. I want to be like,
I
what do you
almost-
think the trend is for
I
battle
almost
royale?
I like to bet you about $3,000. I'll bet you $3,000 it don't end. And I'm gonna go high here.
Such a bet, Johnny. You got
Hold on.
$3,000 laying around for a bet about gaming trends.
Yeah,
Got
he
pretty
does,
good about
probably.
Something that you're not sure of, or are you just that much of a betting man?
I mean,
I got
dude,
pretty
you
good bit of
got
money
it. You
stacked
should
up.
go
I'm
buy
not
a
saying that
computer.
that's.
Yeah,
Hold
you
on.
got the money.
I'm not
But-
saying that that's not. I'm not saying that
I'm
you
gonna
don't
go
have money.
with-
I'm saying that that's a lot
I
of money
don't-
to throw away on such a frivolous
Well,
bet.
no, I'm not one. I don't.
'Cause I'll
talk
make that
about
bet.
money because
I'll make that bet.
I'm gonna go 2 years. I guarantee you, Battle Royale games is still strong in 2 years.
Okay.
I guarantee you. Because I'm gonna sit in this corner. If I get shot, this is the only reason. Because you're thinking, and Jeremy, you hear me out because you're pretty sober. This is the only reason why I'm thinking like this. You're thinking as an adult. You're not thinking as a kid.
No, I'm thinking about
Fortnite would hit
Hey, we shot
kids
that guy,
hard. You got when we first got into gaming, you got kids like that now that are coming in strongly into battle royale modes, not MMOs, battle royale.
Oh yeah.
It's not going away anytime soon. You got to think outside the box. You got to know what they target. You was targeted as a kid with MMO. I was targeted. You was targeted. It's the way the fucking gaming world works. It's marketed.
No, but it's been years, Johnny. Like
It's not.
But, hold on, Johnny. But what? But
It's,
all right.
it's not
I get
going
what
away.
you're saying.
It's only
That like
last
kids.
so long.
I get what you're saying. The kids are coming up now with battle royale.
Adults is not paying
But
the
listen
gaming
to me,
industry.
Johnny. Listen to me, Johnny. How long has battle royale been a trend, and what was the trend before it? Besides MMOs.
Okay, but what I'm trying to, I understand. I'm not trying
And
to
battle
get
royale
out of
is
this.
game mode,
But
it's
you
not-
gotta
it's not
think
like
here.
gameplay. I would get
I've
it
been
if you were
thinking,
saying
Kids,
if you were
kids
saying that like
are
kids are coming
paying
up
the
on
gaming
shooters.
industry. Adults
Yeah,
are
yeah.
not paying the gaming
They are
industry
too,
at
Johnny.
all.
There are
No,
adults that are paying.
no.
Go look up,
Johnny,
Google the
there
demographics right now.
There's
You
no
know-
the
reason to
demographics.
argue there is.
Okay. You know how many kids are using their mom's credit cards to buy skins
but
for
you know how
Fortnite?
many kids'
You know how many-
parents are fucking using their own credit cards to fucking pay for shit too?
No, see,
Yeah.
that's too.
Johnny, hold
You're
on.
too simple-minded.
Because
you don't think outside.
Whoa, Johnny just called you simple-minded. What the fuck?
Wow.
You're too simple-minded. You don't think outside the
Oh, he
box.
called you simple-minded again. No, Johnny, Because you're not thinking about it like this.
Kids play battle royales much more than
Yeah.
adults do.
Let me talk. Let me talk, son. Let me talk for a minute, son.
Why you think battle royales
Selena
doing
raises
so
a really
good?
point, dude. Because if you think about it, Johnny, you're thinking of adults in the sense of like what, like our parents and shit.
Yeah.
Whereas Selena's talking about adults in the sense
There's
of
a lot of
current
adults
the
that-
current generation that grew up on gaming and is currently getting older, and that's why the gaming demographic between the age of 30 and 40
there
is
is.
getting so large.
There is a lot of adults that game, but you got to think about the new class that's coming in. There's a lot more children coming in. It's
And they're not
marketed.
dead set on battle royale.
You're just thinking about one little thing. It's marketed.
Okay,
Google
Let
it.
me tell you
get
this. Let me tell you this much. If I put $1 million into a game, I'm not targeting you.
Well,
I'm
yeah.
targeting kids with their moms with credit cards and their dads with credit cards to make money. I give a shit less what you think about the game.
And I don't think that they're going for battle
I'm
royale.
going
They're
after
for-
money.
I'm
And
thinking
that's
that they're
what-
going for more shit like Anthem and Destiny than Fortnite.
And that's what they're doing. So, as my argument, I
Because
stand on.
microtransactions
I
in battle royale
guarantee
doesn't
you.
really work out well, except for cosmetic.
I guarantee you, in 2 years from now, battle royale's still. That's my argument on the whole thing.
We're too simple-minded, so we wouldn't know.
You are being. You got to think outside the box.
No, we're not.
No,
like,
we just disagree.
like that's
Just
because we
right
disagree
there,
doesn't
that
make
said
us
that
simple-minded.
He would refund.
Hey, you-
I can't even think about this. I leave this.
You
game.
want to win this?
I can't even think.
You want to win this argument? Hey, Johnny, what do you think of President Trump?
When I think of
even
President
going
Trump?
on that. No, the
That's
we're
not
all
even.
going
What does
on-
that have anything to do with what we're talking
Johnny,
about? You know
I'm,
what's
I'm
even better?
establishing a basis for simple-mindedness.
Grown man that said he's gonna refund Atlas to buy Fortnite skins. Just wanted to put that out there. Like there are
This
grown
is-
people that are older than us that will fucking play and spend money on Fortnite.
And
just
I
children.
said I know that. But if you knew your statistics, you would know
Do you
there's
know-
much more
do you know
children that
statistics,
play.
Johnny?
I
Could you
didn't
Google it
argue
for
that
us?
there's a lot of kids that play that game, Johnny. You argue with me that there wasn't adults that played that
Hold up! You know, I can't talk to y'all too. Jeremy, you summarize this whole thing and I think you understand where I'm coming from.
No, Johnny,
I mean, I don't really know. I feel like unless something else big happens, it'll stay like it is.
Thank
Like,
you. There it is, summarized.
Okay, Johnny, exactly what I was thinking. Like, I was hoping that
Nothing
else. Fortnite-
something else happened. Like, that's
Fortnite's
My point-
more than just a game with kids right now. It's like a whole culture. So
Yeah.
it's gonna
Hey.
take more than just like a new game to.
Like you
Well,
remember
before that,
us,
it was Minecraft.
but you remember us with games, and you remember us.
I'm not
Alright,
saying it's
let's
not
go in
gonna
real
happen,
life.
but
You
it'll
remember
take
us
something
with
big like that.
skateboards, hacky sacks,
So it might take a while.
etc., etc.
And the thing about
It's,
that is that all I'm saying is that
it's
it's a
not
game
going
mode
away.
versus a game genre. I mean, I could
It's not-
understand if it was a
it's not
totally new
going away.
genre.
I mean, now you got Call of Duty focusing on battle royale. They didn't even put a campaign mode in. You know why?
That's because the
kids-
game has fucking been out for
No.
fucking 15 or 20 years
There's-
and it's stale.
There's your
The only way
there's
for
your
them to keep up with the
simple-minded
trend.
thinking, and
That's
that's
not
where I'm
simple-minded thinking, Johnny.
Yes,
Could you
it
please
is.
Stop being insulting
They're
because
just
people
saving
disagree with you
money,
in a
Johnny.
debate.
There it is.
A debate.
Kids could, but no, we love story modes. We love campaigns.
I don't love
Kids
story
these-
modes.
Me
I don't
neither.
love
Kids these
campaigns.
days, kids
I
these
fucking
days.
hate story modes and
I hated the
campaigns.
Call of Duty story modes. and
I
every-
fucking hate all story modes and
Story
campaigns. in
mode,
every
but
fucking
Selena
game.
just played the shit out of Exodus. That's a hell of a story mode.
Call of Duty, Johnny. I hate.
I know.
Call of
I
Duty
said story
modes.
modes. I wasn't just
And
saying
then
Call
I was
of
saying
Duty.
Call
I
of
used that.
Duty story modes.
Oh
I
god
hate
damn,
it.
yeah, man. Fuck that. I ain't talking no more. Y'all
That's
people ain't the
exactly what
type
I
of people to
said.
get
I
through.
just said I hated Call of Duty story modes. That's all.
Because you
I
think
said.
of yourself just like, I'm 30 years old, it's just me in this goddamn world.
No,
It's not just
think
you
we
in
do
this
because
world.
we disagree with you.
There is way more kids than 30-year-olds in this world.
Hey, guess what, Johnny? 47% of gamers are between the age of 18 and 49.
There you go.
So that means that 50% of them are below
So
18.
so where's the 53%?
Exactly.
Yeah,
So you
That's
got
what
that
I'm
right.
trying to tell you.
They're 60 plus.
Yeah, they're 49 plus. They're all seniors. All right, so let's see. The average frequent game purchaser is
When you
38
learn,
years
it's
old.
not. When you learn, when you're thinking about statistics, it's not just us in this world.
Well, we know that.
It's a whole big culture.
I wish it was just us in the world, but I know it's not.
And when it comes to marketing, big money, and everything, they ain't focused on us.
Yeah, I know.
I think Battle Royale will take a nosedive soon, but I don't think Fortnite. I think Fortnite will stand the test of time, at least for a while.
Yeah, they're
It's-
like
it's
a
like-
different battle
It's
royale.
better said
but-
like Jeremy when everybody get mad. It's better said like what Jeremy said. It's a culture. It's not going anywhere anytime soon.
It could. You never know. Anything could happen.
No. It's
I
like
mean,
well, we
Johnny,
got. We
you
all.
know that
we
even,
got to
It's
think.
a thing. Like
You
if
know that,
happens, that
Counter-Strike is out of Battle Royale, right?
yeah, we played it.
Yeah, we
I
played
haven't
it.
tried it.
Everybody is trying to do the same thing. It sucks.
It's
I hate
like
Battle
this.
Royale. I'm not
Everybody
taking
after
up
WoW-
for it.
Everybody after fucking WoW made MMOs. Like it's just a
But-
trend. Like they're gonna.
but
it
what-
goes
what
in
do-
waves like this?
Yeah, but
What
they
do
did
kids do? Kids
years,
get
yeah.
bored easy though. Battle Royale's been a trend for what, like 2 years?
Man, my little nephew Jesse has been locked into fucking Fortnite for 2 years straight. When he comes
that's-
to my house, he comes back here, he asks me, Uncle Johnny, can I use your computer? He gets right on my computer and he's locked in fucking Fortnite, dude. You have no idea what Fortnite has done in the child world.
Oh no, I know. Trust me.
And you mentioned Minecraft, and kids still fucking play that. Like, one of my friend's kids is like all over Minecraft, and like
It's marketing. It's marketing at its
watches
best.
videos on YouTube about it and plays it all day and all kinds of shit.
I mean, you got kids on their parents' phones playing mobile games, buying shit on the mobile game. My brother Chris, matter of fact, just had it happen to him from his 11-year-old child. Spent $300. This spent $300 on a fucking game. Chris didn't have no idea because Chris ain't into a whole lot of gaming like we are. He had no idea to set the parent controls, all that type of
And
shit.
think about it this way: what's the biggest MMO right now?
It's
fucking
not
WoW. No, it is. Like
It
every
is.
other MMO is died out.
Crazy.
How many subscribers does WoW have? Because Final Fantasy has 12 or 13 mil.
Final Fantasy isn't getting streamed like WoW, Dalton.
Yeah, I know. That's even
crazy.
that's a huge meme with
I know. I don't know what it is.
one of
I know
the
Final
one of the
Fantasy is
subreddits.
popular,
The Final
but
Fantasy
the
players
way
like make fun of it.
streams.
I have a meme that like makes fun of like Method's first kill in a mythic raid versus like one of the Final Fantasy's guild's first kill on a savage. It was like so lame.
Yeah, I guess I mean bigger, like culturally, like
WoW has 13.
people talk about WoW a lot
viewers,
more.
and Final Fantasy has 30k.
in existence.
WoW has how many?
13 point something. And Final Fantasy has
13.7 what? 13.7k?
Yeah,
People watching on Twitch.
yeah.
I feel like
They did a-
I
It's
don't
actually did
higher. It's
a-
been like
I don't-
40k recently.
to be fair,
They
Final
did a
Fantasy
PvP tournament today or something.
That's why
Final Fantasy doesn't have the gameplay to be like very
exactly what
it's super casual. It doesn't have progressive mission mythic plus dungeons. It doesn't have the PvP isn't as I guess.
Well, I mean,
mainstream
my
or
point
competitive.
is, like, WoW is still around. I don't
Yeah.
think Fortnite is going anywhere.
No.
Yeah.
I know what you mean. Like, I'm not saying it's
Good
gonna
call.
disappear off the map.
I don't think
never said
no,
that.
I don't think so either. No, not unless like a new trend comes out.
Not even then. Like, it's still gonna fucking be.
Oh, yeah,
there,
even then,
like,
yeah, it'll be
bugging
like-
out.
That's why-
And the fact that Fortnite is
Not-
free to play and all this
no
other
insulting
stuff,
or nothing, and I'm even saying it to
You
You
myself.
insulted us
Bigger-
already, Johnny.
Simple-minded
Yeah.
is not a fucking insult.
you
If that
Yes,
insults
it is.
you, you're
Johnny.
definitely a fucking millennial.
Johnny, you're a millennial, you dumb shit.
If simple-minded
simple-minded.
insults you, you have got a problem.
Okay.
There's a better way to say that. I don't know what it
Let me
is.
Google
but
what.
That's what I'm
simple-minded
doing.
means,
I'm
Johnny.
googling simple-minded right now, having or showing very little.
Are y'all really?
Or
Are
judgment.
you really that soft that simple-minded bothers you?
Oh God, what? Hold on.
Alright.
That is a problem.
Johnny, this is what
I
you're
was
saying,
just
no,
saying-
having or showing
I
very
was just
little
saying-
intelligence or judgment.
I was just saying
that
you're not
definitely
thinking
isn't nice.
outside
That
the
is
box.
definitely an insult. Like, no matter what, in that context, that's definitely an insult. That's no matter what. That's how I felt when you were saying it.
yeah, I don't
I
think
think,
Connie meant that. But that's
Thank you, Jeremy.
Clearly, I mean, you should probably find a different word for what
Yeah.
you're trying to say.
You should, Johnny, because I didn't appreciate that.
I'm going back to the division.
Is Division 2 out yet?
No, they're
Beta
open
is.
beta and it sucks ass.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll be back on some multiplayer games tomorrow night. I'm gonna play me some division.
That's
That is a
fine.
multiplayer game.
Guess I'll play the Isle or something.
Well, what? We're all dipping?
Guess so.
I was just fucking around at first, honestly, but I don't think that Johnny was giving us a chance to even talk enough. Whack. Did he really get heated about that? Because I was just fucking around. I was fucking around until I realized he was being kind of serious, calling us simple-minded. And then I started trolling
He
him.
got pretty mad there for a little bit.
Mad about. Besides, I'm definitely
just
thinking
drunk.
about trends with kids. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, he's just drunk. Man, I wish I was drunk. I didn't fucking. I drank some beer last night, but I didn't get drunk. I want to get drunk. I want to be drunk. Damn. Damn. Can we just say it was all Jeremy's fault?
Sure.
It was all Jeremy's fault.
My bad.
Jeremy, why do you have to argue with Johnny so badly? I haven't played games with you guys in so long, especially not Johnny. It's ruined it. We played good 2 rounds. We played 2 rounds of this shit. And 3
Wow.
rounds. You guys just got downloaded.
You get a bunch of simple minds together, and that's
That's what I get for being so simple-minded. What the fuck, Selena? Why are we so simple-minded?
Selena died.
Selena's pissed. Tell when Selena's pissed. Selena's up. So what are you gonna do, Jeremy? You kill yourself?
I'll play a game with my brother. He's been wanting to play.
Oh, I gotta show Selena. Where?
Falling too fast to prepare for this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for